All right. Well, we're back out here again at Mike's place, another bike night, and where are you going anyway? Anyway, we're putting this 441 back together. We just put the wrist pin back in the pistons. The rings are all on. Adam took off on me too. Anyway, we're getting ready to put the ring compressor on there and see if the cylinder will go on over there without breaking anything. So stand by. Okie dokie, we're going to get Adam to push on that cylinder and see if he can get the cylinder to go down over the rings. Mike, you hold the rods there and hold it steady. Push it right down, Adam. Yep. It should just go right down. Alright, if it doesn't go, stop.
It went about a quarter of an inch.
It's not right.
Oh yeah, I can see the oil ring there.
Pull it out, take it off, we'll start all over again.
You don't want me to keep pushing?
No,
the ring didn't pop out?
Absolutely not, no. Okay, we decided to attack this a different way as far as holding the piston goes, because what was going on was the piston was rocking when we were trying to install the cylinder on over it. So we put the rods in fore and aft instead, and that held the piston from tipping as we were pushing it down, and it just went right on like it usually does. So okay, so now we got to get the rods and the band off of there, and we'll be all set. All right, we got that cylinder on, the head gasket's in place, it's all nicely annealed, and Adam's gonna slip that cylinder head into position, and then we'll bolt that on.
Ta-da!
Yay!
Yay! No pictures, please.
Not very much, I think about 30 bucks.
Yeah, I think they're pretty.
Yeah, pretty cheap for them. Anyway, that's about it for tonight. What is it, about 9:30? When did we start, guys, anyway?
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Yeah, something like that. So that's a pretty good night's work.
47.
Engine's all back together. It's pretty close to start. But anyway, that's enough for tonight. We'll get her started up the next time we go at it. And anyways, we'll see what happens.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted.